In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Customer Success Workspace in HubSpot. Now, to get started, the first thing you'll want to do is open up HubSpot and make sure that you're logged into your account. This is essential because without access to your account, you won't be able to make any necessary changes or follow along with the steps effectively. Once you're logged in, navigate to the trial guide. The trial guide is incredibly helpful as it acts as a central hub where you can find all the resources you'll need to kick off your form-building process. It serves as your roadmap as you begin to explore and make the most out of your customer success workspace. Next, you'll want to go over to your homepage. Once you're there, look for the Service option. Click on that and then select Customer Success. This is a crucial step because customer success is where all the magic happens in managing and enhancing the experiences of your existing customers. Now, you might be wondering, what exactly is customer success? Well, think of it as a centralized area that helps businesses manage and improve the experience of their existing customers. It's designed to give you a clear summary of customer health and engagement, so you can quickly see how things are going overall. You'll find useful insights into how your customers are doing and which areas might need more attention. Inside this section, you'll find various components. The Customers section, for example, lists all active clients and indicates their status, making it incredibly easy to track satisfaction and retention. This is where you can keep an eye on how happy your customers are and how well they're engaging with the services you provide. Moving on, the Services part shows what products or support plans your customers are using. This is particularly useful for understanding what your customers find valuable and where your business has the most impact. It provides clarity on how your services align with your customers' needs. Now, if we look at the Revenue segment, this tracks the financial impact of each customer or segment, giving you insights into where your business is thriving financially. The Actions section is a dynamic tool where your team can assign tasks, follow-ups, or workflows to proactively address customer needs. This ensures that everyone stays on top of critical tasks and maintains outstanding customer satisfaction levels. Finally, there is the Schedule or Dashboard component. This gives you a real-time overview of upcoming meetings, support tickets, or milestones. It's like having a bird's-eye view of all a team needs to stay organized and deliver consistent, high-quality service. By keeping everyone on the same page, you ensure that nothing slips through the cracks. So, there you have it. By the end of these steps, you'll be well on your way to mastering HubSpot's Customer Success Workspace, empowering you and your team to provide exceptional, efficient customer service.